Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber. I love to personally welcome each and every one of you. But if you are not new, welcome back. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am absolutely obsessed with the Happy Planner, and I have been for 5 years. In this particular video, I'm going to be making my gratitude log for the month of August 2021. I use the single sheet monthly grid filler paper. It's like the longest name ever of a Happy Planner product, but this has been really fun that I've been doing since I want to say April, maybe March. So this will be like my 5th month or something like that. So I'm really excited. Since this is very small, I always have to find like a really small, as far as like a theme, it needs to be really small stickers. So for the last official summer month, I wanted to go out with a bang, so I'm doing a rainbow theme, and it's not going to be like in a rainbow pattern. It's just going to be lots of colors and lots of rainbows. So, we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it doesn't look like overwhelming or anything. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Sometimes rainbow themes don't always work out for me, but we're gonna be positive. So let's go ahead. I need to start with obviously dating the pages, or the boxes rather, and I'm going to use the really tiny numbers in this dates and holiday book. I've said it a million times and I will say it again. This is a book that everybody needs. This is like, it has everything. It has like lots of numbers obviously, but in the back there's some seasonal things, which is good, and it's just a really helpful book. So anyways, I'm going to pop on some music and date these boxes, and I'll be right back. Well, actually, what if I find some colorful letters? I already have some books out. Let me see if any of these books have letters. No. These do, but they're not colorful. Okay, this is Mega Seasonal, and I'm gonna write out August. Okay, that really doesn't match very well, but we're just gonna pretend like that doesn't matter. I don't like to take a ton of time on parts of the page that, you know, don't make a huge difference. Okay. So the really cool thing about this particular month is that this block can be a part of the bottom, which is cool. I had a really interesting plan for the border. So I have this Color Story 461 book out, and it has this colorful section on the back, and there are these strips that I'm hoping will fit all the way around. We'll see. I'm kind of all over the place right now, but I feel like it's really gonna come together. So just be patient. Let's make it happen. Oops. Okay, that obviously didn't go all the way like I wanted, but what could I do? What could I do? I could just pretend like it's not a big deal and just put a rainbow and just you know, act like it's not a big deal. Ugh. I'm not really liking this, but on the other hand, I kind of like it. Does that make sense? I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to just try something different and, you know, just go for it. Okay, since this is my gratitude log, I thought this verse would be nice down at the bottom because it's a rainbow, and that was out of the original Faith. And the rest of it is just gonna be rainbows. Now, I am not blind to the fact that this kind of looks like a mess, but I, for some reason, kind of like it. Like, it's just really happy. It's just lots of colors and it's cute. It doesn't, you know, it's not perfect, but it's fun. So I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so those were out of Student Icons and Tiny. And that's it. So let me put it in my Franken planner. Okay, and if you are not like familiar with what this is, I'll show really quickly. So this is the one I just made. Here's January. This is the first time I used it of this year. I tried to use it as just like a memory kind of thing, and I made like a really cute skating rink down at the bottom. And then I didn't use it in February or March, but then April is when I decided I wanted to do it as a daily gratitude. So I did flowers here, some flowers here for May. And then June I did ice cream. July I did cherries. And that's it. So I just write one thing each day that I'm grateful for. One good thing that happened and something that made me smile. Something that was good that day. So that's what this is gonna be. So that's it. Super quick video, like super quick. And this, you know, it's not hard to do. Let me know if you guys have any questions. But in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.